Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick announcement for all of you that are interested in joining my CPA Marketing Mastery course. I have gotten several emails in the last couple of days asking if I'm going to do a Black Friday promotion, and the answer is yes, and it starts right now. So I have decided to put the course at a 40% discount. So you're going to get it for only $30 if you decide to join. So all you have to do is go to the first link below this video, click on Get Instant Access Now. So this Black Friday discount is going to end in 24 hours. So this is your best chance to join. So once you're on the order form, all you have to do is click on CPA Marketing Mastery plus bonuses discount. You're going to have an option to pay with your credit card or with PayPal. If you decide to pay with PayPal, click on the blue button and read the on-screen instructions. Step 1 is going to be send $30 as friends and family, and this is my PayPal Gmail account. So send $30 to this account and message me on Facebook with a screenshot of the payment or on email. As soon as I see that email or message on Facebook, I'm going to give you access to the membership area. So this is what you're going to essentially get. You're going to get 13 in-depth modules on CPA Marketing Mastery. This course is all about free traffic, but I've also added a Instagram influencers traffic source for all you guys that are willing to spend, a couple $100s on Instagram influencers and test things out. So you're gonna get 13 modules in depth from A to Z, everything about CPA affiliate marketing. Most of the marketing strategies in the course are free, so you don't have to spend any more money on advertisement once you purchase my course. And so this is what you're gonna get. Start here. Okay, cost per action. What is CPA marketing, CPA marketing networks, max bounty, how to get accepted, selecting the right offer, content locking, domains, landing pages, website traffic and marketing, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Craigslist, Instagram influencers, and you're going to get 3 bonuses that I've added. Bing Ads Mastery training, so you're also going to get a bonus Bing Ads paid traffic training, Instagram marketing made simple, so this is just a quick awesome ebook, and you're also going to get solo ads paid traffic. Okay, so you're gonna get my entire CPA marketing course for $30, including 3 bonuses. So if you're on the fence and you want to build a CPA affiliate marketing business from the comfort of your home, and you want to do this full time and quit your 9-to-5 job 2 to 3 months down the line, then this is the chance to join, because I'm never ever gonna have my course this cheap. So this is the last time my course is for $30. I'm gonna be putting the price back to $47 tomorrow, so you have 24 hours to purchase my course at this discount. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick update for all you guys that are interested, and I'll see you in the next video.